Heuchera Sugar Plum, a lovely hardy perennial. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Bees love the frondy flowers. 10 out of 10. Shade, or semi-shade, 8 out of 10. Like some mulch for over winter to protect the roots from the frost, 9 out of 10. It's pretty resilient to most things, but the occasional snibble by a slug, 9 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 46 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Redstone Falls, a lovely hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. It forms vital ground cover in shaded areas, 9 out of 10. It is partial to a bit of shade, or a bit of partial shade as well, 9 out of 10. Likes a bit of mulch to keep the roots nice and moist, 9 out of 10. It is pretty resilient to most things though, 9 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 46 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Here we have the Heuchera Green Spice, a lovely hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Buzzy creatures love the flowers on these when they come up, 10 out of 10. Likes a bit of shade though, 9 out of 10. You divide it every few years, keeps it nicely invigorated, 9 out of 10. It's pretty resilient to most things though, so we'll call that a 10 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 48 out of 50. Remember, follow me. I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Black Pearl, hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers on these, 10 out of 10. It likes a bit of shade, but nothing too onerous, 10 out of 10. Maybe splitting these every few years keeps it nice and fresh, 10 out of 10. It is quite resilient to most things, 10 out of 10. A great plant, Dartana Plant score, 50 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Blackberry Jam, lovely hardy perennial, it's a 10 out of 10. Bees love the flowers on these, 10 out of 10. Likes a bit of sun, likes a bit of shade, 10 out of 10. Divide every few years to keep it nice and healthy and get extra plants, 10 out of 10. Can be feasted upon on the odd occasion by a slug or two, 9 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 49 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious. Heuchera Amethyst Mist, cracking hardy perennial, 10 out of 10. Flying things love the flowers when they come, 10 out of 10. It's partial to a bit of shade, but also doesn't mind a bit of sun, 9 out of 10. Likes to be divided every few years to keep it nice and vigorous, 9 out of 10. Not many beasties that take a fancy to it, apart from of course slugs, 8 out of 10. Dartana Plant score, 46 out of 50. Remember, follow me, I'm Plantalicious.